The Northwestern Transition is a proposal put forth by Idaho's Congressman Mike Simpson that works to secure Idaho and the Pacific Northwest energy future and at the same time address the downward spiraling salmon and steelhead populations and save them from extinction. This proposal is multidimensional and complex, as any legitimate idea must be to fix an issue that's as large and difficult as this one. The only solution that works is one that works for everyone. To understand this issue, Congressman Simpson and his staff held over 300 meetings to develop solutions that would work to all of the problems. Throughout these meetings, they met with every stakeholder that depends on the current Snake River system. They met with representatives of the agriculture and transportation industries. They met with representatives of the energy industry to understand the Pacific Northwest current grid. They talked at length with the BPA, the Bonneville Power Administration, about their current situation and their future needs. They met with leading fish biologists and other anadromous fish experts within Idaho and throughout the Pacific Northwest to understand what the salmon need in order to survive. They looked at current recreation in the area and future opportunities that could be created. They talked at length with the tribes, discussing what their interests were and what their concerns are of today and into the future. They met with the 4 states involved in this issue to see how they could be best served going forward. And finally, they met with the local communities to ensure that all people that are dependent on the current Snake River system are left whole or better throughout this entire process. This proposal that includes removing the lower 4 dams on the Snake River, reworking the entire energy grid of the Pacific Northwest, and at the same time ensuring that all current users of the existing Snake River system are left whole or better, is estimated to cost $33.5 billion. In today's terms, this is the value that the dams are bringing these communities and the region at large. In order to replace them, we would look to get this funding from a stimulus and infrastructure funding bill that is going to be coming down from Congress later in the year. This bill is estimated at $1.9 trillion, meaning the Northwestern Transition would represent 1% to 2% of this total federal spending bill. This proposal represents the best chance for Idaho and the Pacific Northwest to bring these federal dollars into our local communities, creating new economic opportunities and job potential.